sucks! This is alligator watery, and I'm gonna stand up. And it's gonna work, and I'm gonna look awesome. Or I'm gonna fall and I'm gonna look stupid. Ah! I fell and looked stupid. Alright, so we're here at Walmart, and I'm gonna build a boat from water bottles. Ah! We're gonna need 7 of these bags. Oh. There's not gonna be able to fit 7 packs in here.
7.
6, 4, 5, and 7. Holy smokes. What is 300 times 16? Hold on. Give me a second to think. 40,000. Alright, now we need to get some tape. Whatever is the cheapest roll.
So where is the packing tape?
No clue.
Then why did you say it was here?
Because I thought it was.
Jacob, look at me.
So I'm thinking, what is a boat without an American flag? We'll get an American flag for the boat. Specifically 2. 1 for each side. Would it be bad if I hit you in the face with these?
Yeah, because I kick you right square in the...
American flags, now we just need tape.
Watch. You'll believe anything you tell him. We love and appreciate you in this family. No, we do not.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Oh, I'm gonna cry. We're gonna go with the $7 and we're just gonna get all 4 of them. It's mine. I'm paying for it.
No, that's what they use in... Just go.
Can I not do that?
Oh, oh.
$70 and 300 bottles of water later, we can now start building the boat. I don't know what I've gotten myself into. The table is literally bowing because of how much water's on it. Well, I got me a shovel, so let's open this sucker. Here we go. First bottle, 300. $299 more to go. Have you ever seen those videos where people take the water bottle and they drink it in like a second? Well, I'm gonna try and do that. That didn't work. Don't mind me, I'm just watering the river. That was stupid. Bottle 300. It has been like 2 hours emptying bottles. Holy smokes. This is like 1 of 7 baskets. That hurts so much. Alright, so unlike a lot of the time, I do kind of sort of have a game plan. The bottle is going to be 8 of these laid out by each other, 7 of these spread out like this. So if you do the math, that should be 56 times 2, because I'm going to do the base layer 2 times. Then the sides are going to be 17 bottles long times 4, because I'm going to do 2 sides, and the other sides are going to be like...
Shut up, you're so annoying!
But there's only one thing left to do. The boat is gonna be this long. The walls are gonna be 23 bottles long. Boom. We have a wall.
We still got all those. I was up to like probably 11 taping these things last night, and now we can assemble it and put the American flags on it to make it look awesome. Will the bottle float?
Yes.
Boat. Now you gotta re-say it.
Yes.
Will the bottle float? Boat float. No, you're supposed. It's an interview.
Yeah, no, you're gonna die.
So like I mentioned before, it is gonna be double layers like this for the bottom because I don't really trust my taping skills. Alright, this is gonna be how long the boat is gonna be. The back should be 8 long. The front is actually longer than the back, but that's okay because it'll give it like some symmetry.
Huh? What? No, wait, what?
No, trust me. Okay, so the wall is gonna be on the inside of this, and then it's gonna make the shape kind of like this. So this is actually gonna be the front. So it's wider in the back, skinnier in the front.
It ain't gonna be wider in the back if you're putting up walls. It's gonna be the same in the front and the back.
So I got to work and started to lay the bottles how I thought they would be the best. I did a 2-layer wall, which eventually we would change that.
Now we have 2.5 rolls of tape that we can use to tape everything together, which that is definitely gonna be the toughest part.
So I wasted no time and started taping the base together. I really wanted these 2 layers to be sturdy because that's where I'm going to be sitting on. Obviously, this went according to plan.
It's not the greatest. They are separated.
Hopefully this mistake won't affect me down the road. I am sinking. You'll just have to watch to see how that turned out. But with the help of my brother, we created a plan to make the boat somewhat boat-shaped. After the plan was created, we began to tape the base together. After that was done, we worked on the bow.
This is gonna be sick.
Then the walls. Since that way clearly did not work, I got the help from my mom and siblings. We taped everything together, and that's when we got the idea to take the second layer of wall away and add it to the base to make a 3rd layer.
The bottom is gonna.
So then I almost feel like we need one more layer here then.
After making that last minute adjustment, we began to absolutely cocoon these bottles in the final layer of tape. It floats. It's working. I'm sinking. Oh crap. No, we're floating. We're good. I think. It works! Alright, well now we gotta catch a fish. Here we go, come on. I am sinking. Slowly but surely, I am sinking. We're actually cruising, holy smokes.
What in the heck?
Oh yeah. This is alligator watery, so it's kind of scary. But I'm gonna stand up. And it's gonna work, and I'm gonna look awesome. Or I'm gonna fall and I'm gonna look stupid. I fell and looked stupid. Okay. Bro, half my boat is in the water. Well, it worked. I'm half sunken and I'm about to fall in, but it worked. It's still working. I'm pretty fat. I know. Oh shoot! That is exactly why you don't do stupid stuff like I just did. Nathan just named her boat. It's called the SS Piece of Crap. Except for the flags. The SS America Floated. It's right here. I fell down right there. A little bit further. That thing could have smoked me. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the SS America Floated. If I can tape and open and empty 300 water bottles, let's try and get this video to, it only right to 300 likes. Is that gonna happen? Probably not. But I have faith in you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below what else you want to see. Where else we should take this, because I mean it still floats kind of. I appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Wow, I totally missed the game. Peace. Peace. Do you think Scotch tape would work?
No.
Or I meant masking tape.
Do the clip, you think?
We do. What's the cool transition that we could do?